I'm Dave Kindig. We're here at the home base of Kindig-It Design in Salt Lake City, Utah, and this is where we create cool stuff. So here we do all aspects of custom car creations. Basically what I do is I draw things up by hand, which I've been doing since I was a kid. If they want to go over the top, I'm definitely their guy.
Well, ultimately, what I do here at Kindig is get Dave's drawings down off the wall, do whatever we can to make them a real car.
One of the coolest parts about working here is talking to Dave and getting his ideas that he wants to put in a car and turning those ideas into reality. And when I use Geomagic Design X and the FARO scan arm to do that, I can really nail it and just make parts that are going to be perfect.
So here's a cool one on the 67 Coronet. This is one of Dave's dreams. First off, we had to rework all the metal. Then we scanned the opening, then we 3D printed this cool scoop.
It's a no-brainer. We got creativity here, we've got the right equipment to do it, and of course the right guys to do it. We're working on a 71 Karmann Ghia where the customer actually wanted air conditioning into an air-cooled VW, which is not really common.
So I scanned the front of this car with the FARO scan arm. And because this has a little bit of a curve and things like that, this would have been really hard to draw in CAD by itself. But using Geomagic Design X, I was able to make pieces that fit the body of the car pretty perfectly.
Every time I touch it, every time I utilize the FARO arm and the Design X software, it's a game changer for me.
I can get a lot more detail. I know exactly where like a bolt hole is, things like that.
It basically has become our X-ray vision.
We're always trying to build cars better, and using the scan arm and Geomagic allows us to do that.
We've always been building cool stuff, but now with the added technology, we're building even cooler stuff in a lot less time.
Getting something to fit right the first time is absolutely what I'm after.
Yeah, it's kind of unreal what we're able to accomplish here.
I feel a lot better about the day.